Jump ball. H&M.
Na, umpisa na ng malulupit. Laban ng mga malulupit. H&M versus PF Changs. Jason.
Parang
Pirasa sa ilalim, libreng-libre. Easy basket. Ang gandang pasa naman nun. Galing sa Captain. Ano kayang sasagot ng PF Changs? Inikot ang bola sa kabila. Tamayo. Tamayo may tanong ng bola. Pirasa sa labas. Outside.
ball save. PF Chang.
Bola ng PF Changs. Di pa nag-iinit.
10 seconds to shoot.
Libre. Tira.
Roll
Diluwa
out.
lang. May foul. May foul. Foul yung matanda.
Foul on number 8. That is a push. Ball save. Number 8, that's your first
Sayang.
personal foul, first team foul.
Op! Ang puso. Ang puso. Dahan-dahan.
Ayan. Corner 3.
Cortez, tumira, wala.
Kaponpon.
Rebound ni Kaponpon. Di nakasagot ang PF Changs. Ngayon, ang ganti ng H&M. Jason Paala, point guard. Kaponpon.
Elbow. Kaponpon. Kicks it out.
Open na open.
That's a two-pointer.
Idol, wala.
Rebound, PF Chang.
Rebound ni Cortez. Cortez, scanning the floor.
Single time.
Dire-diretso, walang, ano,
Rebound.
malakas lang.
Reverse, get blocked.
Supalpal.
Travel. Paalo with the ball.
Oh, ni Jason. Jason, scanning.
Kicks it. Kaponpon.
Traveling.
Traveling and
Sayang.
serve.
Traveling ang tawag.
Ano po? Hinahanap natin ito?
Score 2-0. 8 minutes remaining sa ating first quarter.
Portico. Tamayo.
Mayo, pinasa sa ilalim.
Pasa pala sa kabila yun.
Idol
Point
Flores,
flag.
wala.
Rebound.
Rebound
Kaponpon.
Kaponpon. Again, ganda ng rebound. Pinasa
Goal
ka
of
Jason
flag.
Jason Paala.
With
Basket
the
na
set.
yan.
Plus the basket.
Basket na yan. 2 points. Ising basket para kay Papa Jason.
Ito na.
Mr. Basic.
4-0 run.
Tamayo, sa gitna.
Tamayo.
Libreng-libre, wala. Minadali. Rebound ni Kaponpon ulit. Buwaba si Kaponpon din. Pinasa kay Paala.
Baseline
Paala again.
drive behind the back.
Kaponpon, tinira, wala. By
Meron
foul.
muna tayong foul.
Tulak.
And that is a push.
Kaponpon.
A
Kitang-kita ni
foul
referee.
on number 19. Push. Wait lang po, ma'am, sir.
Oh, wait lang.
Number 19, that's gonna be yours. First personal foul, second team foul. Shout out sa ating Alshaya staff, kay Tito Third at Tita Charlie, na nandito pa. Naghahanap si Kuya Glenn ng water. Meron ba kayo dyan? Chavez. Kicks it. Arellano. 10 seconds to shoot.
Yan, oh, scanning.
Meron
May
tayong
foul.
foul. Foul is going to be on number 16. That's going to be a push. Ball stays. 14 seconds to shoot.
Tumawag si Sir Atoy ng
That's going to
foul.
be a 13 foul para sa H&M.
Cortez sa ilalim.
Fade away.
Supalpal.
8 seconds to shoot.
Ito, Tamayo.
Nawala ang bola.
Mr. Basic.
Paalam.
Mr.
Looking at
Basic
the
na yung
defender,
basket na
makes the
yan.
layup for 2, 6-0 run.
Grabe talaga. Batang-bata.
Portico.
Basiko. Cortez, tumira ng
Friday
tres.
three.
Bang! Lista mo na! 3 points by Sir Cortez. Cortez. Ayan na, sumigaw na si Idol.
Sabit ako ng sabit, context pa lang.
Ay, ang ganda naman nun. Ang ganda ng rebound.
That's gonna be St. Paul.
Grabe, kitang-kita. Rebound nun ah. Rebound yun ah.
Uniform yan. Tawagin natin by their uniform.
Paala. Behind the back, pass.
Three-pointer.
Pointer. Kulang sa vitamins.
Tumama. Here comes the Chavez.
Cortez.
Chavez.
Tamayo. Arellano. Scanning the floor. Pick by, screenshot by Flores. Flores, iniwan. Tumira ng dos.
Wala.
Rebound.
H&M.
Ayun na,
Outside
fast
pass.
break. Nakuha.
Intercepted.
Cortez,
Gonzalez
diretso.
with the layup. That's good.
Easy basket. 5 points straight by
1 point
Mr. Cortez. Isa na lang lamang. Pressure defense. Next pass to Jason Paala. Paala scanning. Lumabas. Scanning the floor. Tapon pumasok. Supalpal.
Pero may halong
May halong kamay daw, sabi ng commentator.
foul
May
on
hawak.
number 29.
2 free throws. Dahil
Yeah, pasok na si
Gandang cut.
Gonzalez. That's your first personal foul, first team foul.
Mr. DJ pumasok. Unang free throw. Wala. Second free throw. Basket. Score 7-5. Lamang ang H&M. Cortez. Mainit ang kamay.
Scramble.
Kosiko. Dumiretso. Hoy, pinasa.
Stolen. Fresno.
Jeff the Jet.
Makes the basket.
Kakapasok lang ang init agad. Mr. Jeff the Jet. Lumipad. 4 ang lamang. 9-5. Grabe talaga yun. Screen. Pressure defense ang dalawang point guard. Kosiko. Drives, cut.
Top shot.
Top shot. Pumasok pa yun. Ang ganda namang galaw yun. Sir! Napabilib mo kami, sir. DJ, pinasa sa ilalim. Mr. Papa. Wala.
Official score 7-9.
7-9, 3 minutes.
Tamayo.
Tamayo. Naghahanap ng madiskarte.
Top shot. Short. Rebound H&M.
Rebound ni Mr. Paala. Gandang pasa.
And
May
that's
foul.
gonna be a foul.
May foul na tumawa.
Foul on number 7. That is a push. It's going to be inbound play. Number 7. That's going to be your first personal foul.
DJ.
Second team.
Paala. Diskarte. Wala. Nakabon po ng gandang cut naman. Ang gandang hanap ni Mr. Paala doon sa ilalim. Sa cut ni Kapunpon. (7-11) ang score. Kosiko.
Passes.
Pasa sa ilalim.
10 seconds.
Wala. 10 seconds. Force 3. Wala. Rebound.
Gonna be
May tulak. Nakitang-kita ni Sir Atoy sa ilalim.
foul on number 19. That's going to be a push. Substitution.
Kitang-kita.
Number 19. Substitution.
Tulak.
That's going to be your second personal.
Pasok
14
Dixie.
foul.
Labas Kapunpon. Sir Dixie. Depensa. Munti ka na huli ni
Ball
Jeffrey.
stays. 13 seconds to shoot.
13 seconds. 11-7. 2 minutes and 43 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter.
8 seconds.
Sa alim nakuha ni Jeff. Ayan na si Jeff. Mr. Uy, sayang naman. Baby pass. Wala. Pinasa kay Cupid.
Ball stays. Out of bounds.
Huwag niyong si Cupid yan. Kosiko. Arellano. May foul.
There is a foul.
May foul. Galing
Foul
cut
on
naman ni
number
Ice yun.
15. That is a cylinder foul.
Cylinder foul.
Penalty situation.
Penalty na.
Two free throws. Para
Ice,
sa
2 free
Yes,
throw.
yes.
Para kay Ice. Ice, baby.
Substitution.
Extra baby, pumasok. Unang free throw ni Sir Ice, pasok. Second free throw ng Ice Ice Baby. Ang gandang bitaw. Dalawang free throw, basket. Substitution, pasok. Ay pass. Jason Paala. Wala. Nilabas sa ilalim. Sa taas. Jeffrey. Nag-isip tumira ng tres. Wala. I-drive yun na lang. Side step. Ang ganda naman nun. Ang gandang galaw. Ni Jeff the Jet. Cortez. Tumira. Bumawi. Wala. Cortez. Pass break. Jeff. Wala. Good defense by Cortez. Tumama sa paa. Save by Ice. Binalik kay Cortez. Cut by Cosico. And a basket. Ang gandang cut naman. Gandang pasa.
What's the call, ref? Basket count, foul on number 30. That is a push. Bonus free throw.
At may kasama pang foul.
That's going to be your first personal penalty situation. Substitution.
Baka naman, sir. Cosico. Free throw.
Makes the two-point
Basket.
play.
Easy basket for Cosico. DJ. Pinasa Alexi. Pass break. May tumawag. Anong tawag?
Daming tawag doon.
Ang dami tawag. Traveling pala. Dami tawag ni Seratoy. Sabi, napaka liwanag ng mata ni Seratoy. Jeff, wala. Counter. Cosico sa ilalim. Block by Sir Dixie. Magandang depensa ng H&M.
16 seconds.
Score 13-12. Lamang ang 13. $14 seconds. Cosico using the board. Wala. Cosico pa rin. Drives. Pinasa sa labas. Wala. Baby Shaq. Cosico. Wala ng oras.
And that is your first quarter.
Ang ganda ng first quarter. Dikit na dikit ang laban. Ang score is 12-13 in favor of H&M. Second quarter. Bola ng PF Chunks. Binalik kay Ice. Intercepted. Tumama sa paa. Bola pa rin ng
Ball will
PF
stay.
Chunks.
14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds.
Sabi, intense ang laban. Fred. Sumalaksak. Blocking foul by Mr. Paala.
Foul on number 29, that is a blocking foul. Reminder for our players, our basketball court line is the yellow line. Yellow line.
Tamayo. Fred. Oh, yung gandang steal naman yun from behind. Diretso. Basket. Labang pa rin ng H&M. Ah, hindi. PF Chunks, sorry. Labang pala PF Chunks. Ah, H&M, sorry. Steal again. Pass break. Number 12. Pumapak sa guhit. Pumapak sa guhit. Nakita ng referee.
PF Chunks ball.
Ang gandang reaksyon naman ng ano na yon. ng coach ng H&M. May foul. Tinamaan.
Foul on number 17, that's going to be a hit to the hand. Substitution.
Part. Ice. Sumalaksak sa gitna. May foul. Binangga. Foul
Foul on number 17, that's going to be a push. 2 free
Ay,
throws.
grab.
Number 17, that's going to be your second personal foul.
2 free throws. For
Second
Mr.
team
Ice. Baby. First free throw ni Ice Baby. Short!
Free throw.
Ubusan ng hininga. O, pasok mo daw.
Ang alin.
Second free throw. Wala. H&M naghahabot.
Floater.
Idol.
The friendly roll.
Ang gandang floater yon. Tirang-tira talaga yan. Open na open. Mr. Basic, lista mo na yan.
Makes the basket.
Iba ka talaga. Para hindi ka kumukupas talaga, paring
Yes,
Jason.
man.
Lamang na ang H&M, 19-12. Back to the ball game po tayo mga tropa. Score po, 19-12. Second quarter. Lamang ang H&M. 8 minutes remaining. Kosiko, pressured by H&M.
And there is
May foul na naman.
Foul on number 12. That's going to be a push. A ball. Number 12. That's your substitution. First personal foul. Third team foul. All right. Ten seconds to shoot.
Ang gandang pasahan. Wala.
What a move.
Putpon.
Stole it.
Good yun. Kosiko. Uli. Mr. Basic. Wala na pasahan. De Castro. Sa gitna. May foul. Blocking foul. 2 free throw.
Foul on number 26. That is a push. 2 free throws. Number 26. That's going to be your first personal. Second first team foul.
First free throw.
First
Pasok.
one is
May tira. 2012. Lamang ang H&M. Lamang ang champion. Second free throw. Wala. Rebounding kapunpon. Paa. Tumama. Tumama yung paa sa labas. Bola ng... Bola. Saan? Decision. Bola ng...
Kanila na! Kabila!
ball go white ball.
Tumama kasi kapunpon sa labas.
2.5. 2.5.
Kaya bola ng PF Sharks. Tamayon sa ilalim, binangga. Wala. Ni Kapunpon, blocking foul. O, tayuan. Tayo. Ganda.
Foul on number 26. That is a blocking. Ball saves. Number 26. That's your first personal, second team foul. Second personal.
Jeff drives. May foul. Tamayo.
There is a
Pinampas sa
foul.
kamay.
Foul on number 18. That's going to be a hit to the hand. 2 free throws.
Foul si Fred. Jeff for free throw. Unang free throw ni Jeff.
First free throw.
Niluwa. Pasok na, niluwa pa. Second free throw ni Jeff.
Second free throw is good.
Nothing but the bottom of the net. Basket. 21-12, lamang na ang H&M. Di pa nakakascore ang PF Chunks. Simula tayo ng second quarter. 4-3.
That is only for
Basket.
2.
For 2. Sorry. Nakita ng referee. Stepping. 2 points lang. Flores. Taka ng bola.
Ten seconds.
Load. Wala. Tumata si Jason. Libing-libing kita. Tumira si Jeff. The Jeff. Same spot. Same result. Grabe. Ang init ni Sir Jeff. Tumira rin.
We do have a call on the floor.
May foul.
Foul on number 29. That's going to be a holding foul. Number 29. That's going to be your first personal 14 foul, warning for penalty.
Paala. Hinawakan si Tamayo. Kakasama sa Dubayan. Cortez sa ilalim. Back to Tamayo. Tamayo. Fake.
Yes,
Wala. Block pala yun. Pressure defense. Flores pass to Paala. Paala. Scanning. Jeff. Fake. Pass to Paala. Paala.
Fake the basket.
Easy basket. Kalabaw lang tumatanda. Iba pa rin si Jason. Jason yan eh. Jeff. Drive. Fred. Drive. Wala. Rebound. Pass to Jeffrey. Jeff the Jet. Drives. Lumipad. Good. Good pa rin. Flores. Nakakuha ng bola. Pasa sa ilalim. Mr. Paala. Wala. Masikip daw. Nirawas ang bola. Set up.
8 seconds.
8 seconds shot clock.
5.
5 shot clock. Pass to Paala. Tumira. Wala. Fred on the rebound. Pass to Cosico. Cosico. Drive. Ay, may foul na sa ilalim.
And there is the foul.
May foul sa ilalim.
Foul on number 17.
Foul number 17. Hinawakan.
Substitution.
Kita ng referee.
Number 17, that's your second personal substitution. Penalty situation.
Penalty na.
Free throw. That was the free throw. First free
Basket.
throw is
Free throw.
last free throw. Make both.
Dalawa. Pasok. Para kay Cosico. Papa Jojo. Pass to Jeffrey. Pass to Dixie. Back to
Top
Jojo.
shot.
Top shot by Jojo. Wala. Cortez. Pass to Cosico. Cosico. Back to Cortez. Crossover. Drives in the middle.
Floater. No.
Wala. Nakuha ni Mr.
Rebound,
Basic.
Eminem.
Mr. Basic drives to the basket.
Tough shot. Still makes it.
Galing talaga. Ni Mr. Paala. Kondisyon na kondisyon. Flores. Huli.
And then the-
Pero may foul. May nakitang foul.
Foul on number 1. That is a hit to the hand. 2 free throws. Substitution.
Flores. First free throw.
First one.
Wala. Second free throw ni Flores. Baby Shack.
Second one is
Basket. Basket yan. 10 ang lamang. 27-17. Tito Joe. Balik sa kanya. Sa gitna daw. Wala. Wala na daw mabasahan. Balik
10 seconds.
Pass out to Jeffrey. Pass to number 18. Supalpal. Cortez. Wala. Sa alin kay Fred. Diretso.
Take the
Basket
basket.
na yan. By Fred.
19-27 on the lead.
3 minutes and 14 seconds remaining. Pass sa ilalim kay Mr. Paala.
Strong.
May butas.
Out of bounds.
Sayang. Ang gandang pasa sana yun. Hindi lang nakakuha. Bola ng PFX. Okay. Ano na mapasahan. Pass to Flores. Flores pa rin. Nagagawa ng buko. Nakuha ni Tito Joe. Pass break. Paala. So number 18. 18 nag-iisa. Basket na yan. Balik sa 10 ang kalamangan. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Pass. Balik kay Cortez. Pass ko sa kay ilalim. Post up. Post up. Power.
Try the 3.
Number 3.
Roll down, follow up is
Rebound.
good.
Ang galing ni Sir Fred. Offensive rebound converted into easy basket. Jeff nangihingi ng screen. Umakyat si Dixie. Drive. Libreng-libre.
Takes the layup.
Grabe. Nakakita ng butas. Napapasahan, pasa kay Cosico. Cosico, forced in the middle. Fred, drive, may foul.
And there is a foul.
Number 18, may foul.
Foul on number 18. That's going to be a hit to the hand. Substitution.
10 ang lamang. First free throw ni Sir Fred. Wala daw. Wala nga.
First free throw.
Second free throw ni Fred. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Baby Shack. Ang ganda naman. Ay, may
No
pito.
basket, traveling
May
violation.
traveling. Ang galing ng mata nun. Grabe talaga pumito to. Nakita pa ni Serato yun. Sir Arnold nagdadala ng bola. Nasa kay Jeff. Jeff scanning the floor. Bumalik.
Tough defense.
Jojo open
Try to
na open.
three.
Tumira ng tres.
Not even close. Out of bounds.
Sayang open na open. Straight pero kinapos.
Bowler.
Jeff.
Good
Kinanan. Kinanan, hindi kinaliwa. Diretso, Fred. Basket. No, Cortez, sorry. Back to Dixie. Back to number 18. Maranan. Arnold.
10 seconds.
Arnold fake. Sumabay. May foul. Iba talaga ang may experience.
Foul on number 26. That's gonna be a push. 2 free throws. Number 26.
Del
That's your
Rosario,
third
Mr. Arnold,
personal
free
foul.
throw. Listahan mo na
14
yan. Ay, hindi masok. Kulang sa vitamins. Unang tira niya pa lang naman yan. Second free throw ni
Last free
Sir
throw.
Arnold. Second free throw. Wala pa rin. Oops.
It's gonna be a jump ball. Ball will stay H&M.
H&M ball. Jump ball. Ang
12
gandang hustle
seconds
ni
remaining.
Sir
12
Tixido.
seconds.
Sa rebound. Jojo. Jeffrey.
10.
Ilalim. 18. Wala. Rebound. Nakuha ni Dixie. Dixie, power move. Power move. Wala.
And that
Time.
is your first half.
Time tayo. Ang gandang laban. Lamang ang H&M. 23-31.
Try the three. Tough shot. And that's going to be a jump ball. Ball will go H&M. Takes the three. No. Rebound BF Chan. Arellano. And that's a foul. Foul on number 10. That is a push. 2 free throws. Number 10. That's going to be yours. First personal foul. First team foul. First free throw. Second free throw. And that's going to be a foul on number 77. That is a holding foul. That's her first personal foul. Ball is stolen. Step back, makes it. Seconds to shoot.
Dire-diretso yan.
Makes the basket. Timeout! H&M.
Paano?
2-pointer is good.
Grabe.
Ball saved. Floater, follow up, get blocked. Number 10, hits it. That's going to be an offensive foul. An offensive foul on number 30. Ball will go be a chance. It's going to be your second personal foul. Second team foul. And that's going to be a traveling violation. Tough shot. H&M with a layup, short. And that's going to be a foul. Foul on number 10, that's going to be a holding foul. It's going to be 2 free throws. That's your second personal foul, third team foul, H&M. First free throw, 4-point game. Second free throw is good. Substitution.
Nalabang nyo kanina. Nalabang nyo.
Late lang.
Naglabang ba si Boss?
Hindi naglaro, nakalim.
Two-pointer, rolls out. And there is a foul. Foul on number 10. That is a blocking. Number 10, that's going to be your third personal foul. 4-team foul warning for penalties. Substitution. Block. Two-pointer. Rebound. Follow-up. No. Foul. Foul on number 19. That is a push. Number 19, that's going to be your third personal foul. Penalty situation. Penalty. Substitution. First one. Makes the second one. Makes the basket. What a pass. Good ball.
Diretso.
11 seconds to shoot. 10. Out of bounds. Ball will go H&M. Seconds. The ball ref, foul on number 7. That is a holding foul. Ball stays. 14 seconds to shoot. That's your second personal foul. Second team foul. Seconds. 5. Kicks it. Three-pointer. No. Gets his own. Timeout. H&M. Empty pass, gives it, lays it, makes it. That's the basket.
Power move, tama yun.
3 minutes remaining, third quarter. Seconds. That's going to be foul on number 5. That's going to be a blocking foul. Number 5. That's going to be your first personal. First free throw is a miss. That's going to be their third team foul. Rebound. Back to basket. Out of bounds. Substitution. Substitution. Ten seconds to shoot. Hold it. foul. Foul on number 10. That's going to be a hit to the hand. 2 free throws. Number 10 to 26. Marvin, what's the number? Oh yeah, sinasabi ko. Number 26. Number 26, that's your 4th personal foul. Warning for fouling out. Warning for penalty as well. Substitution. Arellano powers his way. No. Rebound. And that's going to be out of bounds. H&M ball. Floater is good. Ball will go H&M. Two-pointer, short, rebound save. Three-pointer is good. 8 seconds. 5. And that is your 3rd quarter.
Nakapik na eh. Lumipad na yung depensa.
That's good for 3. Ten seconds. Foul on number 19. That's going to be a hit to the hand. 2 free throws. Number 19. That's going to be your first personal first team foul. Stepping on the line, first free throw, no good. Second free throw. Ball will go via Chang. No rebound, and that's going to be a foul. Foul on number 27. That's going to be a holding foul. Inbound play. Try the three. No. Two-pointer is good. Two-pointer. Tough shot. And that's going to be a traveling violation. And that's going to be a technical. It's going to be a technical on the bench. It's going to be a technical free throw.
Yan!
Technical free throw. Technical free throw is the miss. Ball will stay, PF Chang. Substitution. And there is a foul. Foul on number 17, that's going to be a hit to the hand. Ball saves. Number 17, that's your third personal foul, second team foul. Two-pointer. Rebound, a connect. Kicks it. Ten seconds to shoot. Makes the basket. And there's the call on the floor. Foul on number 7, that's going to be a holding foul. Number 7, that's your third personal foul. Second team foul, PF Chang. Kick ball stay, shot clock reset to 14. Eight seconds. Trying to control the pass out of bounds. Makes the basket. Reverses, no. Protico. Passes, too high. Get blocked. 10 seconds to shoot. Ball saved. And there is a foul. Foul on number 1. That's going to be a hit to the hand. Time out! Kinam. Power eh.
Grabe power sa bahay.
Misis niya yan.
Ten seconds to shoot. Poland. Ten seconds to shoot. 5 minutes remaining. Seconds to shoot. And that's going to be a traveling violation. And there is a foul. Foul on number 15. That's going to be push. 2 free throws. Substitution. That's your second personal foul, 13 foul. Make the second one. Eight seconds. Floater. Loses the ball. Ball will stay. 18 seconds to shoot. Timeout! You have chance. Seconds to shoot. 5. 3 minutes remaining. 3 minutes. Stolen. Point blank is good. Tries a 2, no. Lays it.
Takbong pogi ang pucha.
Last 2 minutes. Foul on number 30, that's a blocking foul.
To,
Number
to.
30.
To.
that's your-
Paano?
Substitution. That's your third personal foul. Fourth team foul, warning for penalty. Fifteen. Follow up is good. And there is a foul. Foul on number 6. That's going to be a hit to the hand. 2 free throws. Number 6. That's your first personal. Third team foul. CF Chang. First free throw. And there is a foul. Foul on number 19. That's going to be a hit to the head. Ball will go H&M. Number 19, that's your second personal. Warning for penalty. Warning. Both teams warning for penalty.
Ano masasabi mo, tinamaan ka sa ulo?
Ten seconds to shoot. Ball will go H&M. Tries a 3. No. Follow up. Rolls out. And there is a foul. Foul on number 19, that's a hit to the head. Number 19, that's going to be penalty situation. That's your fourth personal foul.
Bakal yan.
First free throw. Makes the second one. Stolen. Takes a 3. Makes it. Gives it. Reverses. Good. Tries another 3. No. Rebound.
H&M, 56.
Kain na tayo muna to.
47.
Dadaan.
Sa bilis.
Hindi na sa gulo.
sigaw.
Ano natin eh.